Need a new garage door? Let one of Marvin's sales team members come out for a free consultation. Using the latest technology, our new MyDoor system can show you how a new garage door can transform the look of your home. Whether you're having a residential or commercial garage door issue, we've got you covered. From the mountains to the Piedmont Triad of North Carolina to Southern Virginia. Visit one of our showrooms today.
Family owned and in business 45 years, it's Marvin's Garage Doors. Get your fall discount on select IntelliCore insulated garage doors going on now. Quality service, sales, and installation for residential and commercial. Beautiful doors are yours at Marvin's Garage Doors.